Okay, folks, we're moving on to our next question, question 4.2. Still parts of the function section. This question is for 23 marks. Let's see what it asks us. Question 4.2. The graphs of f of x equals a half, bracket x minus 5, all squared, minus 8, and g of x, which is a half x plus 9 over 2, are sketched below. Okay, so we have a quadratic and we have a linear. It's a parabola and a line. They tell us some information. They say to us A, the point here at the bottom, is the turning point of the curve. So it's the minimum value. Now remember, if you have a turning point, for a parabola there's one of two ways to get there. It's minus b over 2a, and then you take that value into the function to get to the y value of the turning point. The alternative would be to do what you learned in Matric, and that is to search for where the first derivative is naught, use that x value, put it back into the original, and you get the y value. So at turning points, derivatives, or at stationary points, derivatives are indeed naught. Okay, then they also say the following. The axis of symmetry of f intersects the x-axis at E and the line G at the point DMN. Now let's go and have a look where that is. Here's the axis of symmetry. It is this line here. Now remember, how do we find that axis of symmetry? Well, that's the line on which the turning point lies. So we can write quite a few things down. We can say that here, the x value, that's the line minus b over 2a. Or we can start talking about finding the turning point using the derivative, where the derivative is naught. Both of those two x values will give you the same result. Then it also says, remember we've got two functions here. We have function f, which is the parabola, and then we have function g, which is the line. And this axis of symmetry, they tell us, cuts the line g in the point DMN. Now folks, let's not forget that. What is m going to be? M is going to be the minus b over 2a value. And the n value, that's because it lies on that line. And the n value, we're simply going to go to g to find the y-coordinate of that point. Okay, let's see what they're going to ask us.